Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Receive a great workout and keep yourself healthy with the SF-B901 Pro Indoor Cycling Bike. The solid frame design is strong and sturdy. 40-pound chrome flywheel provides increased stability. The unique handlebar design allows riders to utilize versatile positions with the various grips. The chain drive will give you a smooth, high-quality ride, resembling that of an outdoor bike. The heavy-duty crank system makes every pedal stroke seamless and efficient. Pedals are equipped with toe cages to keep foot in position while pedaling. Turn up the resistance with the micro-tension knob. Handbrake will slow or stop the flywheel quickly. Custom fit with the adjustable seat. Get the perfect grip with the adjustable handlebar. High-quality, smooth transportation wheels make it easy to move the bike in and out of the way. Bring out the athlete in you with the SF-B901 Pro Indoor Cycling Bike by Sunny Health and Fitness. Get a full-body workout in one machine with the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper with bands. This compact stepper helps tone your glutes, calves, and thighs. Step onto the oversized foot pedals that have non-slip surfaces. Produce smooth, natural, and powerful steps with the hydraulic drive system that forces your legs to push against your own body weight. Change the intensity of the exercise by adjusting the height of your steps at the bottom of the stepper. Take your workout to the next level with the removable resistance bands. Tone your core, shoulders, and arms while you step for a full-body workout. Track your workout duration, step count, and total calories burned with the digital display. Feel safe and secure on the sturdy steel frame that supports up to 220 pounds. Start your cardio workout with the Mini Stepper by Sunny Health and Fitness.